I'm heading to my Japanese class. So I studied Japanese in high school. I took a class when I was in 9th grade, and my Japanese has basically been, very elementary, kind of broken. I could read hiragana, katakana, get around a little bit. But last December, I took a trip to Japan, and I wanted to improve my Japanese. Yeah, I was able to get around a little bit, but there were definitely some aspects in which, I could improve my Japanese. Particularly when buying motorcycle gear. I think having better Japanese skills would have helped me there. For example, buying the Shoei X15 carbon helmet would probably be a bit easier now that I have a better grasp from the language. And I love Japanese culture. I just want to be able to feel a bit more natural in the environment, more integrated, if that makes sense. And as far as foreign languages go, I think I'm having the easiest time with Japanese. I've learned Arabic in college, but I've lost that one ever since moving to California. I never used Arabic. I went to Fordham University in New York City, so I had plenty of opportunity to use Arabic or practice it, go into a bodega or a store. There's actually a large Japanese community here in Orange County, Irvine specifically. And then there's also a larger Japanese community in Torrance. So there's more opportunity for me to practice Japanese here in the States. And so this is all to prepare for my upcoming trip going back to Japan. But before class, I want to get something to eat. So I'm going to stop for a quick bite. Quick bite at the hangar. It looks like there's another networking event. There's always networking events happening here. Today's a Tuesday, but it's packed. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get something as quickly as I want to. They seem pretty busy. Okay, the hangar is a little too busy. I was standing in line for like 10 minutes and didn't move at all, so I'm gonna just move on. Okay, we're gonna head for plan B, which is the konbini. And there's one right on the way to class. And here we are. The Konbini, or 7-Eleven. Now just to find a place to lock up. Thank you. Alright, strawberry Pop-Tart for dinner. It just occurred to me that I'm unable to eat with the helmet on. Alright, that was good. And now I'm on my way to Japanese class. I think studying another language is a good way to keep your brain engaged. a bit of a long day at work today, but if I'm paying for a class, I should still go. I turned on boost mode. Normally I ride my motorcycle to class, but my bike is currently in the shop for a blown motor, and that sucks, but warranty will cover it, so it'll probably be about a week before I have it back. So I have 3 forms of transportation: my car, 370Z, my Aprilia, and my e-bike. I gotta say, it's very convenient having 3 modes of transportation. I also work remotely, so really I don't need to commute to work. I think e-bikes are amazing modes of transportation. I wish I had an e-bike when I lived in New York City. But e-bikes weren't really a thing. I left New York in 2019. I'm sure there were e-bikes, but I don't think they were so common, right? But today, there's so many options. Yeah, I wish I could have had this e-bike in New York City. But I'm not sure how I would go about storing it. Because obviously you can't just park it, and if you leave it locked up, I'm sure it will be stolen eventually. This basically has to be garaged. My problem would be, I lived in 3 different places in New York City. I lived in Astoria, Queens, Harlem, Manhattan, and on the Upper East Side, which is Manhattan as well. So basically, if I had this e-bike, I would have had to look for a place that could specifically accommodate it. I had a car when I lived in New York City. It was a 2002 BMW 325i. I eventually ended up selling it because it's just so expensive to have a car in New York. From the tolls, parking fees, tickets. Most of the time I wasn't driving. I really only drove to go visit home. Legit, taking the subway is the best way to get around in New York City. Alright, we have arrived. Alright, I will appreciate it if you keep an eye on my bike, and I will see you in the next cut. Alright, just finished up class today. I think I will head to the gym. My camera is dying, so this might turn out to be a silent video, but I hope you enjoyed the ride.